Alright guys, gals, this is the first time letting Brady run the skid steer by himself. We're out here, we're doing their PE right now. We're cleaning barn stalls. Let's see how this goes. I told him he could try doing it himself. Okay, raise your bucket up a little, raise it up a little. Okay, now flick your bucket. The bucket, flick it. Whoop. Okay, go up. Up. Yep, keep going up. You got it. Watch your back. Watch the barn. Okay, now come down. Down. Keep coming down. A little more so you can see. Okay. Watch that pull. Okay, it's very tight. You have to be right on. Throw your parking brake on. Okay. Make sure your bucket's curled back. Now go down a little bit so we can pitch the shit in there. Perfect. Look at that, guys. I got a new skid steer operator. Give me a big thumbs up, dude. Yeah! Guys, that's how you grow immunities right there. You're out in the barn, cleaning the stall, you get thirsty. There's always a water source in the barn.
Done after self-quarantining ourselves. This Ed.
Alright guys, gals, we got Houdini Weenie's stall cleaned out. We'll get some shavings here within the next couple days. It looks like he's enjoying the other stall. So we got a load off of that, let me tell you what. So we're going to take a break. The school just delivered the boys some food. So they're going to have their lunch quick, and we'll get back at it. Spreading our one load of manure for the day. We were going to do a bunch, but this pasture here is pretty wet. So this is what we cleaned out of Houdini's stall. One full load, and we're getting rid of it right now. Some spots aren't wet, and then other spots, so just to save it from tearing up. Looks like we got a nice cold weekend, especially Saturday. I think it's going to be a good day to spread. We're supposed to be in the 20s, so we'll have a little bit of ground freezing exposure. And I'm actually hoping too that we can maybe get some overseeding done with the 3-point hitch fertilizer spreader. So we'll see how all that goes, but that's our last load for the day, guys. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is going to be vlog number 2. We're going to be creating these vlogs throughout this whole quarantine process. And I contradict myself from my earlier video. We were doing the 2-week on, 2-week off deal to limit exposure and everything like that. And I just found out here recently that we actually closed my shop down altogether. So everybody's home, safe and sound with their families, and that's the key thing is, you know, stay home, take care of your families, I guess, during this, and keep America running right here, baby. So we're putting down some NPK so we can have some beautiful, lush pastures out here on the farm this year, so we can raise some beautiful Black Angus babies and moms. With that being said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor, like it, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't to the channel. Thanks, guys. Look forward to talking to you all real soon.